All right, smart money, smart money. What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, YouTube world, man? It's your boy, Smart Money, SMSFX Ken, man, and I'm here with another banger, man. So clap it up, whatever you want to do. Um, that'd be awesome, 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 awesome. All right, guys. So, um, also, guys. Um, this is going to be a video for YouTube and also for the podcast. So what's up, podcast? What's up, Smart Money podcast listeners? Sorry, your boy has been MIA for a little second, for a little hot minute. But we back, man. We back with another banger, back with another video, you feel me? And yeah, man, we're gonna be posting, man, this live content. We supposed to be starting all last month. March Madness is supposed to be March Madness, April. Now it's about to be May towards my birthday. I'm like, I'm gonna give y'all some free sauce, man. So I got the merch, you know what I'm saying? You can go check out the merch off the website. And go ahead and get your new merch, guys. Anyways, man, so we're gonna hop off into this video. And you already know, as y'all see the title, y'all probably like, oh my God, what the heck? Y'all see me with the Lamass on. And I'm talking about how I'm robbing the Forex market, how I'm breaking the Forex market, how I'm robbing them for all the money that they got, man, this year, 2022, right? And if you want to be a part of that, then you can go to smsfxmentors.com and you guys can check out what I have to offer, all the things that I have to offer. So basically today, man, I usually don't do this, man, giving out all the secret sauce and all this little saucy. But today, I'm gonna show you guys some secret sauce, man, how I've been robbing the markets. Hopefully, you guys can implement this as well, and you can start robbing the markets as well with me, right? Especially by the title, I know got you guys excited, US30, right? So US30 is more so Robin Hood, right? The bank robbers, right? They US30, you get in US30, man, and that will literally, okay, wipe you out, wipe your account, take your account. Or it can be also beautiful, the volatility, you'll be able to scalp quick, make some quick money, make some quick moves, right? In the market. So by that being said, I want to show you guys a nice strategy that I've been using to actually get into the markets and make a couple of dollars, right? So this video not gonna be too long. My intro was the longest. But hey, you watch the intro this long, obviously you want to get some secret sauce. I'm gonna give you the secret sauce, right? So we're gonna share um, you know, the charts right now. So right now we're on US30, okay? So we're on US30. And we've been inside like this 1 hour range right here. So what I do and what I use inside of these ranging markets is a supply and demand area. So first off, I want to get you guys familiar with a ranging market, trending market, right, as well, right? And what you want to catch is the trend. You want to catch the trend, or you want to catch this ranging market, and then you'll be able to identify these points of interest, and then you're able to capitalize off of these points of interest, right? So the first thing what I would do, let me remove all drones, okay? So the first thing I would like to do, and this is what I teach all my smart money members, is to find key levels, right? So definitely want to find key levels. And this is all off the 1 hour time frame. I'm not going to any other time frame, guys. If you want that type of mentorship, then you know what you can do, guys. You can go ahead and join, Smart Money team, and then we can set up one-on-ones, guys. You'll actually have full access to me. You'll actually be able to set up a one-on-one, be able to actually sit down with me as we trade live, whatever you want to do, whatever you feel comfortable with, demo, whatever. And you'll be able to sit down with me and take trades, and then we'll be able to come up with a plan, a formula that works for you. We'll learn the sessions, learn the times, volatility movements, the news, things like that we look out for in order to make money, or in order to be sustainable, right? Because we can make money and after that lose money, right? So we want to be able to make money and be sustainable and be able to um, actually, continue to do this full time or whatever, part time, but to be profitable in gains every single week. Okay, so we want to find these high points and then we want to find these low points. So since price is already coming down to the downside, first thing I will look for is my low point, 4,200 level. Is pretty low to me. It's the lowest uh, point of price where it's a bank psychological level as well. So what I would do is I would mark off that 1 hour level right there like that, and I would try to be as precise as possible. So I'll make that 0 flat, and then I will want a high level. I want to kind of stay in the moment. I could go back here to March 30th, but it probably wouldn't do me any good now, right? So 34,900 level, I'll mark this level up as well. And so pretty much the same thing I always try to teach you guys, but I just figure, hey, this might help. And if I show you guys the smart money concept of it all, then you might say, hey, you know what? Let me try this out. Um, and let me try to be patient and wait to actually use the smart money concept right. Things of that nature. Right. Now I'm not gonna go out too much sauce, but it's reasoning behind all of this. Okay. But this is a very saucy video, man. If you catch on, for those of you know, you know. Some people like to be self-taught, they know how to catch on to certain things. And now you can use this in multiple time frames, any time frame. Like I said, this is just the hour time frame that I'm using this in. And then we're gonna go from there. Right. So now we see what you call a range area, right? So, and what I mean by range area, okay, we got hit here, hit here, hit here, right? Hit here, all the multiple hits here before price pushed down, right? So we got hit here, price push down, hit here, price try to push back up, push back down, hit here, price push down, hit here, price push down. Okay. Now, same thing, vice versa. We got a hit here, price went back up. A hit here, price went back up. So now we got a hit here. Now, the question is we got a hit here, but price went back up, right? We got a hit here, price went almost back all the way back up, but it didn't. Actually turned around at the 200 EMA. All right, so now we got a hit here, and this is like, is price going to go up, or is it going to break through and continue to go down? Right, so that's the question now. Now that is the question. All right, so now that we know that, we got this type of information, we kind of understand, that this could be a consolidated market. This could be a ranging market, right, guys? The market right now could literally be, going sideways, right? You get a hit here, it can go like that before either breaking out to the downside or breaking out to the upside, right? So we understand that as well, right? So now understanding that, all we need to do is wait for confirmation, right? Now we had this level. We definitely had this level in here, right? We definitely see, we got a rejection to this bottom level down here at the bottom point. And so, hey, okay, boom, we got a rejection rate. So now what I would do personally is I always like to, if I was to get in for this buy, I would target this next high. If I was to get in for this sell, I would target this next low. So me personally, I would always like to put some sort of, mark on that, on that wick rejection. All right. That this allows me to understand that, okay, price could, where it's at now, drop back down to this level. All right, so we already know that. So now I see that this whole area is like a fluctuation area, to where price could go at, right? or could potentially just have problems in this area. The price got to this area, came down, right? Went up, came down a little bit, went back up, came back down, right? So we can kind of, okay, this whole area right here is kind of a fluctuation area, right? So that'll be the next thing that I would try to get together, like knowing where I'm at. So I would try to box this off, right? I'll kind of try to box this off, kind of try to stay out this area, but I know that I can still make money in this area, right? So I'm not scared of the area, but at least I know that price can go back and forth in this area right here before doing anything, right? It can just consolidate in this area. It could just go back and forth, take my money in this area or whatnot, right? So now I know only one or two things can happen. Now, inside of this area where my supply and demand zone is, and then now I have a fluctuation box, right? And I can also have half this box, right? So, I can, get at least half of this box, okay? And I could say, okay, point of entry, right? So at that 34,400 level, I know that, okay, this is half of this fluctuation box, half of this fluctuation zone, okay? So I know the price is underneath the, you know, this if price is underneath this line or this key level in this, or this point of interest in this fluctuation zone, then I know, okay, I don't know, but I could kind of say, you know what, I want to look for sales. Now, in this smart money concept, price is below my my liquidity box or below my consolidation box. And I know for a fact now that price is below this point, I'm solely looking for sale. And I would have been looking for sales back down to this restriction point because we know that this is a support level. It's going to have problems at this level, right? So right now I'm at a standstill, right? But I'm at an important level to the point where it's like, okay, this 34,200 level could hold weight. Okay, what's my next move? Like, what could I do next, right? We know we inside this box, this fluctuation box. So even if I sold off, price could buy all the way back up to here and then come back down and start selling off, right? So smart money concept is we wait. So now I know it's hard and I know it's really hard to do. And but smart money, we know in this area, if we get in here, which would be smart money, we know it can consolidate in this fluctuation zone and shoot back up. So we know not to get in around up in this level because anything could happen still in this level. So smart money concept, we will wait to price break this level here. Right? Price break this level. Then we know it's probably going to the downside. We can target this last low down. Right? We can target something like this low down here, right? This area. All right. And you know what I'm saying? That'll be a nice smart money concept, right? Price break here. I got all that free money to make, right? Now, same thing vice versa here. We start seeing price start going up. Yeah, we want to get in after it breaks this point of interest, but price can get here, turn around at the EMA, come back down. Get to the top of here, turn around and come back down, right? It can get to the top of here, turn around and come back down, right? It can get to this point right here and turn back around, keep coming back down, right? So we want to be smart and we wait for the concept. And the concept is this: if price breaks this point to the upside, if we wait, be patient, let it break to here, we can target this next high up here. Some say it's capped, some say, well, why the fuck, blah, 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 blah. We don't care. We know if price breaks these points, we're able to be profitable and make some money. All right. And so how would you target that? It would be this level actually right here. And this is what you call smart money concept. And this is what I teach. Okay. Um, and I can go in full details on on more ways to actually get into this bag. But like I told you guys, I feel like my information is valuable. I feel like I'm giving everybody a chance. I don't think that I'm taxing or anything of that nature. All I ask is you guys to I got a free course where I give out free information. I give out free information on here. So all I ask for you guys, if you are serious about it and you're serious about my time, 199, you get a full lifetime access to me, no matter what level I'm on. I could be a millionaire tomorrow. You still got full access to me. I wouldn't change a thing up at all. Um, you'll get full access to me. So I feel like, I give value, so I want to charge for my time, guys. If I was sitting up talking to you about BS, then okay. But I'm talking about something that could potentially change your life, your family life, your friends' life, your cousin's life, everybody's life. I like to take it serious. I want to make sure I'm around a bunch of serious people as well. And not no jokesters and nobody that's trying to play and trying to do this, do that. We want real people. I'm not gonna waste you guys' time. Don't try to waste my time. Sort of ordeal, right? And pretty much, like I said, it's ways to scale in type and make tighter decisions, right? But that hourly always give out a lot of money, man. Once it breaks or once it does what it do, it will move, guys. We can do some little tests. We can go back and back test, right? Not at all areas are huge. So even at this area here, and I'll just use wick to wick, because there's so many different ways, like I said, to do it, guys. So, but we're gonna use this eclipse matter here, um, and then we're gonna use the same. Let's target this last low here. Okay. So pretty much price was here. This is gonna be my little example. Then I'm gonna end it here. It was consolidating here and here, here, right? Came back up. Finally broke this level, right? Smart money concept. You waited for price to break this fluctuation zone and you targeted your last low, right? Here, right? But even if, right? I want you guys to see. Even if you targeted here, you wasn't wrong. I just want you to know that. I just did it up there. I know how everybody is, though. So I know y'all gonna be like, well, that didn't show anything. Look, even if you target your last low, easy money, right? And like I said, I could show you a better way to get out of these fluctuation zones. Using like Fibonacci and things like that, scaling down the smaller time frames as well. But like I said, be patient. Uh, be patient, and these M patterns, W patterns. I can teach you guys that what to look for too as well. When you're looking for this type of concept, that push, right? That push, exhaust, midpoint, and then back down, right? It happens all throughout the market, guys. You'll see it, right? The next person see it. Um, it's just something cool to actually really know, right? Same thing here. I'll just use the eclipse here. And then we can go right here. And not all the time it's gonna be as pretty all the time, right? But we want price to break this point here, right? And I mean, pretty much all we can do is try to target the next, what I'm saying, the next high, the next high. So let's just say we wanted to target this next high here. right? And it's the same thing, right? Same concept going to the upside. Happened was price came right here, started reacting to this level. Right, so it came down, came back up to the center point, right? Pushed back down again, came and broke past the center point, broke past the last high, and then we was targeting here. Woo. Right, so this happens all the time, right? So we stay in these areas and we see that this is happening all the time, guys. We're able to capitalize off of it, right? If we be patient. So if price break to the downside or the price break to the upside, once it get out of this area, and I can go back through and highlight those areas as well, like the same thing I did here. So you're just waiting on it to break out of that box, this box here. Same thing, sometimes the box is huge, right? So you wait for it to break out of these boxes, right? And then you target in the next level, right? And it's simple. It's gonna happen everywhere. You're gonna be like, God damn. So like I said, if you just use the box, it does not matter. Here, smart money concept, wait till it breaks out of here. You target your last low. Just here. You got this point here. And this shit gonna happen all day. Okay. Came out of that box. You target your last low. Who all happy? All wins in a row, guys. SMSFXmentors.com, man. If you really want to jump in this bag with me, like I said, go ahead and go on the website, click the Telegram link, and yeah, I'm gonna show you how to get to this package, man. Like I said, I always give out techniques, free game on here for free. So imagine what I give out in my free Telegram, or imagine what I'm doing for mentorship, right? You got a lot of people that think they're ahead or doing this or doing that, or got good credit and showing you guys, massive stuff and diamonds and chains and Lamborghini cars and all that, and don't trade a trade in their life. Or like I said, you can come fuck with your daddy or your granddaddy, and your granddaddy gonna put you on game. All right. Smart money, SMSFX, man. Smart money concept. That's how we rob in the markets all 2022. If you down and you want to be and you're interested, then let me know. And yeah, we can get you started, man. We can get you signed up today. And then you can be running up this bag as you know what I'm saying, as you should. Same thing happening here. I'm talking about if you start training your eyes to see it now, you'll see it on every time frame. So imagine that. Boom. Come here, you start seeing this area form up. If you're patient enough, right? You wait till that crack of dawn and you target here. If you're patient enough. This might not work for you. This might not be for you. So to come out of there, target this last low. You got it, coach. Even if you target this last low, you still got it, coach. So I don't want to cheat. And you're like, oh, you cheating. You know what I'm saying? I don't know how patient you are. Came up and formed another box, so second entry as well. Yeah, just easy money, man. Easy money concept. SMSFX mentor, smart money. Smart money is here. Smart money is the arrow. Smart money is there. Smart money, smart money, smart money. Either way, you feel me? SMSFXmentors.com. Let's get it, gang.